How to add tips widget on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to date and time on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, click this. And now you can see the widget here. Okay, but the tips widget is not show. Okay, to add the tips widget, you'll have to do is click the edit widget button below. And on the left side, you can see the tips. Okay, you can click the tips. Here in tips, okay, get the most from your Apple device with helpful hints and hidden gems. So the tips widget, 3 size of widget, okay, the small, medium, and large. So for my example, I set the tips widget into medium. So okay, to add this to widget section, you'll have to do is click the plus sign on the upper left side on your widget to add. And after that, click done button below to save. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully add tips widget on MacBook Air. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.